Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Tom-Tom Drumheads is probably one of the most crucial components for any drummer looking to achieve a professional sound. These often overlooked pieces of equipment have a massive impact on your kit's overall tone, resonance, and playability. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Tom-Tom Drumheads, exploring the different types, materials, and features to help you find the perfect set for your drumming style. Number 5. LA Specials Hickory 5B Drumsticks, 3 pairs. These are 5B drumsticks from LA Specials, and you'll get 3 pairs. These sticks are perfect for drummers of all levels. Made from hickory, these sticks are known for their resilience and durability. The classic feel makes it a popular choice for drummers. The oval nylon tip provides a brighter, more articulate tone. It's suited for various musical applications, giving you a versatile sound. Whether you play acoustic or electronic drums, these sticks are ideal. They are great for studio recording or live performances. These high-quality drumsticks are designed and manufactured in the USA. You can count on them for great sound. What we like. These drumsticks offer consistent weight and pitch, ensuring a balanced feel with every strike. The hickory wood provides durability and a classic feel, while the nylon tip delivers a bright, articulate tone. If you're looking for versatile sticks suitable for various playing styles in both acoustic and electronic drums, you should consider these. What people say. The Drumheads have a great sound. They are easy to tune. The product is well made. Number 4. Evans EC2S Clear Tom Drumhead, 10-inch. This drumhead uses 2 plies of 7mm film. This design optimizes the tone, length of sustain, and makes tuning easier. It features sound shaping technology. This technology provides a well-balanced sound and a focused attack. The EC2S heads are also available in a frost-coated option. You can choose the one that best suits your needs. All Evans drumheads feature level 360 technology. This provides ease of tuning, an extended pitch range, and optimum sound quality. These drumheads are designed, engineered, and manufactured in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship. What we like. These drumheads use 2 plies for optimized tone and sustain, and feature sound shaping technology for a well-balanced sound. With level 360 technology, tuning is a breeze. If you are looking for enhanced sound and ease of use, you should consider these. What people say. The Evans EC2 SST Coated Tom Pack is a great sounding set of heads. The sound quality is excellent, with a warm and resonant tone that really brings out the best in my drums. The SST, sound shaping technology, rings control is a great feature, helping to eliminate unwanted overtones and create a more focused sound. Number 3. Best Choice Products 5-piece Adult Drum Set. This complete drum set includes everything you need to start playing. It comes with a snare, bass drum, floor tom, cymbals, and more. It's perfect for drummers of all levels. The wood shell construction provides a rich, resonant sound. The drums have a naturally warm and full tonal quality. You'll love the sound of this set. Easily customize the setup for a comfortable playing experience. Adjust the tom drum angle, seat height, and cymbal height. It's perfect for beginners and experienced drummers. This set includes a 23 bass drum, 14 snare drum, and various tom sizes. It also comes with cymbals and drumsticks. The full-size drums are designed for quick setup and seamless play. The drums feature a high-gloss finish and striking silver hardware. The white drumheads give it a timeless appearance. This set looks as good as it sounds. What we like. This complete drum set includes everything you need to start playing, from the snare to the cymbals. The wood shell construction delivers a warm, full tone, and it's adjustable for all skill levels. If you're a beginner or experienced drummer seeking a full setup, you should consider this. What people say. The Evans EC2 SST Coated Tom Pack is a great choice for any drummer looking for a versatile and durable tom head. The sound quality is excellent, with a warm, full tone and plenty of attack. The SST, sound shaping technology, Ring's control system helps to eliminate unwanted overtones and sustain, resulting in a clean and focused sound. Number 2. Remo Emperor Coated Tom Drumhead Pack, 12, 13 and 16. This is the Remo Emperor Coated Tom Drumhead Pack. It includes 3 high-quality drumheads designed to enhance your drumming experience. The pack provides a versatile range for different tom sizes. These Emperor-coated drumheads offer a warm tone and are built to last. The coating provides a great feel and response. This makes them ideal for various musical styles. The pack includes drumheads in 12-inch, 13-inch, and 16-inch sizes. This selection covers the most common tom sizes. It ensures you have the right fit for your kit. Also available are fusion packs. These packs include 10, 12, and 14-inch Emperor-coated or Emperor-clear drumheads. They are designed to meet different drumming needs. Upgrade your drum kit with these Remo Emperor-coated drumheads. They offer a great sound and feel. You'll notice the difference in your playing. What we like. These drumheads are coated for a warm tone and are built to last. The pack includes multiple sizes, making it easy to outfit your kit. If you like a warm tone and need a variety of sizes, you should consider these. What people say. The Evans EC2 SST Coated Tom Pack is a great choice for any drummer looking for a versatile and durable tom head. The sound quality is fantastic, with a warm, full tone and plenty of attack. The SST, sound shaping technology, Ring's control is very effective, eliminating unwanted overtones and making the drums easier to tune. Number 1. Eastar EDS 485B 5-piece adult drum kit. This full-size drum set is perfect for adults and intermediate players. It includes everything you need to start your drumming journey, with high-quality components for a great sound. The drum heads are made with different thicknesses for excellent sound. The snare drum has a high-grade head that produces a great sound. You'll be impressed by the quality. The bass drum has an 8-lug structure, and the stands are electroplated for durability. The drum bass can hold up to 330 pounds. It's built to last. The set includes a 22-inch bass drum, 2 mounted toms, a snare drum, a floor tom, cymbals, drumsticks, and a throne. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions, so you can set it up quickly. Eastar has been a professional musical instrument supplier for over 10 years. This drum set comes with a 12-month warranty. If you have any questions, they're happy to help. What we like. This full-size drum kit is designed for beginners and intermediate players. The superior drum heads and sturdy components ensure a great sound and long-lasting use. If you are looking for a comprehensive and reliable drum set, you should consider this. What people say. The Evans EC2 SST Coated Tom Pack is a great choice for any drummer looking to upgrade their tom heads. The sound quality is excellent, with a warm, full tone and plenty of attack. The heads are also very durable and can withstand heavy playing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.